What is ICT? ICT stands for Information Communication Technology. It is an umbrella term referring to communication, hardware or software that allows the access, storage, transmission, and manipulation of information. In terms of hardware, ICT specifically radio, television, communication devices, specifically smart and non-smart phones, desktops, computers, laptops, network hardware, and technology. ICT is also comprised of software, applications, and platforms that allow information to be accessed, stored, transmitted, and manipulated. What is the importance of education in ICT? ICT in education improves engagement and knowledge retention. When ICT is integrated into lessons, students become more engaged in their work. This technology provides different opportunities to make it more fun and enjoyable in terms of teaching the same things in different ways.
First, ICT has made physical distance disappear, letting us stay in touch with family and friends instantly. In the past, talking to someone far was hard, and we needed to use letters. Today, a quick video call lets us see and talk to loved ones across the world in seconds. Text messages, group chats, and social media allows us to share photos and quick updates throughout the day.
Second, ICT lets us have entertainment right in our hands. We no longer have to wait for a TV show to air or buy DVDs. We now have streaming apps like Netflix, Spotify, and YouTube that lets us watch movies or even listen to music. I would also like to mention online games. It lets us play and chat with friends from our own homes. The 5 benefits of technology in the classroom. First, it provides a more engaged learning environment. Second, it prepares students for the future. Third, it connects better with students. And fourth, it boosts collaboration. And lastly, it supports learning.